Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Chipotle vinaigrette sauce. First, let's gather our key ingredients. You'll need 1 to 2 chipotle peppers in adobo sauce, about 3 tablespoons of honey, and 1/4 cup of red wine vinegar. For the base, have ready about 1/2 cup of a neutral oil, like avocado or vegetable oil. Don't forget 1 to 2 cloves of fresh garlic, 1/2 teaspoon of ground cumin, and 1/2 teaspoon of dried oregano to enhance the flavor. Now let's get blending. Take your chipotle peppers, red wine vinegar, honey, cumin, and oregano, and place them into a high-speed blender or food processor. Next, add your 1 or 2 cloves of fresh garlic. This initial blend is crucial for creating a concentrated flavor base. Process these ingredients on high for about 30 seconds to 1 minute until everything is completely smooth and well combined. This ensures no large pieces remain. With your flavor base ready, it's time to add the oil for that perfect creamy texture. While the blender is still running, slowly drizzle in about 1/2 to 2/3 cup of your avocado or vegetable oil. This gradual addition helps the vinaigrette emulsify properly, creating a smooth, cohesive dressing. Continue blending for another 1 to 2 minutes until it's thick and creamy. Finally, taste and add about 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, adjusting to your preference. Your delicious homemade chipotle vinaigrette is now ready to enjoy. This versatile sauce is fantastic drizzled over fresh salads, as a zesty topping for tacos, or even to enhance roasted vegetables. To keep it fresh, transfer any leftover dressing into an airtight container, like a mason jar, and store it in the refrigerator. It will maintain its best flavor and consistency for up to 5 to 7 days. Give it a good shake before each use to reincorporate any separated ingredients.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.